other seats in the front of the 115 are cabin seats, so they swivel round like this, so you've got an armchair at night if you want it. Push it back. The catch to make it swivel is this one, and you pull it outwards that way to release it so it can turn. Make sure before you go anywhere you lock it back in position so it doesn't move when you're driving along. Okay. In this model there's a curtain with a track right the way around, so if it's nice and warm and you're not bothered about insulation, you can just pull the curtain round at night for privacy. If it's a bit chillier, then there's an insulation blind on the window. You nip it gently and pull. Runs along tracks, it's magnetic, and the two sides just stick together. You have a choice. Make sure you clip it back in so that it doesn't come out when you're driving. Same blinds are on the doors. They're quite delicate because they're made of paper, so you just have to guide them along the tracks and then they magnetically fasten. Then clip it in. The vehicle will be handed over to you full of fuel, and I'll show you that when you arrive, or ask you to come and check it and see that it's full. What I'm just going to do is start the engine, because when you're in these vehicles, because you can't see out the back, you have a rear view mirror that is your video camera, so it's on all the time. You don't just have to be in reverse, you've constantly got a rear view mirror image of what's behind you, which is very useful. Okay. Sat nav is built in here. Up above you'll see a blue bag, and that has all the instruction books for everything in it, so if there's something you've forgotten or don't know how to work, you can have a look at it in there and it will explain to you. You've got a picnic blanket if you go off on a picnic, and then there's a blackout blind, and underneath that there's a fly screen, so if you open your window like so, the bugs can't get in because you've got the fly screen there. Just now. Obviously if you're driving you have to close them down before you set off, ideally. Okay. This window, again, it's got a blackout blind and it's got a fly screen, but it also undoes here, and you can push to let the fresh air in. If you're going out somewhere, you can clip it fasten so the air can get in, but no one could get in through these little clips. Or it has got a vent option, which is on these. Fasten it on that one, it's got a little bit of air coming in, otherwise pull it right the way down and fasten it on the bottom one.